If you've been eyeing the JBL PartyBox 110 for your next party, a powerful speaker promising booming bass and killer light shows, you're in the right place. But here's what surprised me. Not everything about this party beast is a hit. You might think this $350 speaker is the ultimate party starter, with 160 watts of JBL Original Pro sound and 12 hours of playtime. But there's a twist that could totally change your mind. So before you click buy, stick around because I'm diving deep into the pros and cons you won't hear about elsewhere. But spoiler alert, this review might save you some serious headaches. Wondering if the PartyBox 110 really lives up to its hype? Let's break it down. Now, if you're someone who loves hosting outdoor gatherings, hitting the beach, or just jamming hard in your backyard, the PartyBox 110 promises to be your go-to sidekick. With its splash-proof design and a rechargeable battery that keeps the music blaring for up to 12 hours, it sounds perfect on paper. Plus, the dynamic LED light rings synchronized to the rhythm should make any party pop visually. Who wouldn't want to turn heads with that? But, and this is crucial, does it actually deliver on its promise of an immersive audio-visual party experience? And oh yeah, should you be worried about any hidden glitches or annoying quirks? Stick with me because the answers are coming and they may surprise you. First off, the sound on this speaker is undeniably powerful. JBL uses their signature Pro sound with 2 levels of deep, adjustable bass and pumps 160 watts of power, which means your music will not just be heard, it will be felt. From bass-heavy hip-hop to booming EDM tracks, the PartyBox 110 makes sure that feels like a private concert. But here's the catch. This speaker really shines in open spaces. In tight rooms or indoors, the bass can sometimes feel overwhelming, even muddy, especially on lower volumes. Also, while JBL boasts adjustable bass, the controls aren't exactly user-friendly, and dialing in that perfect sound balance takes more trial and error than it should. So if you expect plug-and-play simplicity, you might be in for a bit of fiddling, which can be a party spoiler. But hey, maybe you enjoy playing DJ with a sound mixer. If so, this could be your dream speaker. Here's a fun little joke. Why did the speaker break up with the microphone? Because it couldn't handle the feedback. On a serious note though, if you plan to use the microphone and guitar input feature that JBL threw in, it's a neat bonus for karaoke lovers. It's perfect for impromptu sing-alongs or jam sessions. However, audiophiles have pointed out that the mic input isn't the best quality and might introduce some unwanted noise. But if your expectations are casual fun and not stadium-worthy performances, this quirk might slip under your radar. So, it's a mixed bag in terms of features versus execution. Another thing to consider is portability. JBL slaps a hefty shoulder strap on the PartyBox 110, claiming it's designed for on-the-go fun. The splashproof IPX4 rating means you don't have to panic about a little water splash by the pool or a sudden summer drizzle. Sounds great, right? Well, the catch. This speaker weighs around 13 kilograms, nearly 29 pounds. Carrying it around isn't exactly a walk in the park, especially if your party's vibe is casual beachside chill. So while it's portable, it's not exactly your lightweight travel buddy. Think of it more like your party's bodyguard, sturdy but not something you casually sling over your shoulder unless you're ready for a workout. Still plugging along. Good, because the PartyBox app is where things get interesting. JBL lets you control the light show, music, and certain settings through their app, giving you a neat level of customization. This could elevate your party vibe with colors that pulse and strobe exactly how you want. However, here's a twist. The app is not the smoothest experience out there. Many users have reported connectivity issues and occasional lag, which feels frustrating when you want seamless control during a lively event. It's almost like the app wants to party but sometimes forgets the password. But let's be fair. It is a unique feature that adds value, just be prepared for occasional hiccups. Maybe keep your phone plugged in because that light show can drain your battery faster than dancing guests. Okay, time for another joke break. Why don't speakers ever get lost? Because they always follow the right sound waves. On a related note, battery life here is impressive on paper. Up to 12 hours of playtime, which is long enough to keep most parties alive from afternoon to midnight bash. Real-world use confirms you get close to that promise. But be warned, certain features like high volume levels and full blast light shows will drain the battery faster. So if you want to squeeze out that marathon 12-hour session, you'll either need a charger handy or occasional breaks. But honestly, 12 hours of non-stop party beats is more than enough for most people, so this might just tick the box for your all-day event. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At $349.95, the JBL PartyBox 110 is not cheap. It's positioned as a premium portable party speaker, competing with offerings from Sony, Bose, and Ultimate Ears. So, is it worth it? This is where opinions divide. If you prioritize killer bass and a rock-solid guarantee of JBL sound quality, plus cool lights and moderate portability, yes. But if you want a hassle-free app experience, super lightweight design, or studio-level microphone input, you might want to look elsewhere or wait for a sale. JBL's brand reputation and audio performance partly justify the premium, but you're definitely paying for JBL's proven sound heritage and flashy aesthetics more than a flawless tech experience. Still unsure? Here's a little story. One of my friends threw a backyard party last summer and swore by the PartyBox 110. His guests couldn't stop raving about the light show and how the bass shook the foundation, literally. But on the flip side, halfway through, the mic started crackling and the app failed to reconnect, leaving him scrambling to adjust settings manually. The speaker saved the party, but the glitches did cause a few moments of awkward silence, any party host's nightmare. That's the reality with tech. You get those amazing highs and a few frustrating lows. Before we wrap up, let's talk about who this speaker is for. If you're a casual party enthusiast who loves powerful sound, visual effects, and a bit of outdoor splash-proof fun, this is your buddy. It's best for backyard barbecues, beach days, or even garage jam sessions where robust bass and long battery life matter most. But if you're a perfectionist seeking crystal-clear mic quality, ultra portability, or a flawless app experience, maybe hold off or consider other options. The PartyBox 110 is a party animal with some quirks, suitable for those who value raw sound power over technical polish. To make the most out of your purchase, remember the price on Amazon fluctuates regularly, and sometimes you can snag the PartyBox 110 for less than the MSRP of $349.95. So for the best deal, check the link in the description below. It updates faster than the PartyBox's light patterns, and believe me, you don't want to miss a bargain like that. But before you buy, revisit your needs. Know what you're getting into, and you'll have the ultimate party speaker that rockets your events into a new stratosphere. So, wrapping things up, yes, the JBL PartyBox 110 has its share of imperfections. A bit heavy, app glitches, and some mic input quirks. But it also delivers powerhouse sound, impressive battery life, and stunning light shows that most competitors struggle to match. If you're willing to accept a few trade-offs for a better party experience, this speaker definitely deserves serious consideration. After all, music is about fun and feeling the vibe, and the PartyBox 110 nails that with style. Alright, if you enjoyed this honest deep dive and want to grab the JBL PartyBox 110 for your next event, check the link in the description for the best price. Prices can jump fast, so don't wait too long. Your ears and party guests will thank you. Now go rock that party like your speaker's life depends on it. And remember, a party without bass is just a meeting. So why not bring the thunder with the PartyBox 110?